We will go to kayakalpa. Okay, kayakalpa, some of you have visited already. So the kayakalpa is an underground cave where there is complete darkness and it has 3 layers inside, and outermost layer, second layer and the innermost layer. In Ayurveda it is also called as Trikuti Praveshika Rasayana. 3 means 3 and Kuti means 3 layers or the 3 houses kind of meaning. Kuti or the hut. In the Kuti, the exact translation, the meaning is hut. And Praveshika Rasayana, like you enter these layers for the rejuvenation. That is the word meaning of this Trikuti Praveshika Rasayana, and it's also called as the kayakalpa kuti. Kayakalpa. Kaya means the physical body and kalpa means it's a formulation for the physical body. To keep your physical body healthy so that you can work on your spiritual aspect. That is the main idea behind this kayakalpa. There are very few places in India which are having this structure of the kayakalpa. It is not that common to see it everywhere. And this practice is also different from person to person, place to place. Every center has the different idea and the principles of practicing this. Authentically in the textbook, we get the reference in Charaka Samhita. Charakacharya is one of the famous Ayurveda physician. So Charaka Samhita, in the Chikitsa Sthana, like in Charaka Samhita there are many divisions of the knowledge. Chikitsa Sthana is the sector where about the treatment, they explained about the treatment. So when Charakacharya explaining about the treatment, about Chikitsa, in the first chapter he explains Kayakalpa. Because what happens, you all might have noticed, when you are young, when your body is in a healthy condition, you are not so much inclined towards this spirituality, breathing practice or the meditation. You are not that much inclined towards it. You may just try here and there, but you don't really work for that purpose. But maybe after 30s, 40s or 50s, sometimes even after 60s, you realize that, oh, I want to do pranayama, I want to do this yoga, I want to do meditation. But what happens when you try to sit for the meditation or when you try to sit for the pranayama, you see that you are not able to focus or concentrate on the breathing. For the most of the people, you cannot even sit on the ground with a cross-legged posture. You are feeling that all your concentration is on the knee, on the back, on the low back, or maybe when you are trying to do the pranayama, you think that all your focus is on your arm. Neck is paining, arms are paining, and you are not able to focus on your prana. That's how you cannot indulge completely into pranayama or into the meditation practice or sometimes even into the yoga. So Kayakalpa is basically for that purpose, where it is a beautiful formulation where it protects your body in such a way that even if you live for like 80 years, 90 years, 100 years, your physical body will not become a burden to your spiritual journey. Because most of the people who try to go for the spiritual journey, the physical body is the biggest burden. It's like it's not that I don't want to do meditation, I want to do meditation, but my body hurts. I want to do meditation, but my back hurts. So this is the excuse for the most of the people. But using the Kayakalpa, you can protect your body in such a way that no matter how many years you are living, your body is not going to be a problem to you. Rather than body should be there for supporting your dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha are the 4 main aims of our life which has to be fulfilled. For that, your body should be a vehicle. With this vehicle, you should be reaching out to all these destinations of the dharma. Dharma means all the responsibilities in terms of the profession, in terms of the family, in terms of a personal thing, all your duties and responsibilities, we can grossly say that is dharma. And artha is earning the money or earning the meaning for this life. It could be both the way, earning the money and earning the meaning. Earning the meaning and money both to your life to fulfill the life desires, that is artha. And for that also you need this body. Without this body you cannot earn money. Without this body you cannot find the meaning to your life. So artha. Kama is all the physical desires. To fulfill your physical desires you need to have the body. Without this physical body, kama is also not achieved. And moksha is the ultimate liberation. So for all these 4 destinations, you use this body as a vehicle. So you use this body as your gadi in Kannada. Okay, so this vehicle has to be well maintained. How much it is essential for the car servicing? To get the good mileage and to make sure that your vehicle is not getting stopped in between the road. So you go for the proper servicing and the maintenance of your vehicle to make sure that it is in the good condition. Because you have the basic sense that without good conditioned vehicle you cannot travel long. You cannot reach all the destinations of your choice if your vehicle is not in the good condition. Similarly, if your body is not in the good condition, you cannot reach the destination of the dharma, artha, kama, moksha. So you have to stay healthy not just for the sake of the report. You have to stay healthy not for just for the sake of, okay, I want to be healthy. Not that. You have to stay healthy to fulfill all these destinations without any obstacle, without any disturbance in between. Or at least in this janma itself we have to fulfill all this. Otherwise it will take many of the janmas, many births are needed to reach this destination when this body is not in the good condition. You are spending so much for the vehicle maintenance and to take care that, okay, vehicle is in the good condition, because you know that mileage is important. But with this body we fail to understand, we fail to prioritize the servicing for this vehicle. You are like, oh, we have to go to hospital. Why? I am healthy. Yes, when you are healthy, then only servicing has to be done. Even when your vehicle is in a good condition, again after certain kilometers you take it to the service center for the regular servicing. Same way, when you are managing so many responsibilities, when you know that you are very much important to your office, to your business, to your family, then why don't you take yourself to Panchakarma center to give yourself a gift of health? It's just like the servicing to your own vehicle. It's not necessary that you have to wait for the big diagnosis to go to Panchakarma center. You can always go to Panchakarma center to service your system so that your functions can become smoother. The physical abilities, emotional abilities, and even the clarity in your energies, everything can be managed with the Panchakarma. So this kayakalpa basically telling you the importance of the physical body. Because most of the time we think that, oh, I am into spirituality, no matter even if my knee hurts, I am going to sit in Vajrasana for the meditation or Vajrasana for this. But actually that is himsa. Even to the yogic principles, that is wrong. There are many people who say that they have the severe knee degeneration, but sitting in Padmasana for the meditation for 3 hours, 4 hours and saying that, Madam, I don't care about this physical body. I am into deep spirituality. So I sit in Padmasana, no matter how much pain is there in my knee, I do this. But according to yogic principle, that is himsa. That is not spirituality. Spirituality does not mean hurting yourself. Spirituality does not mean giving pain and punishment to your physical body is not spirituality. Spirituality is you will be in the state where you can do all these things with ease. Effortlessly, when you are able to sit in Padmasana and do this, that is the real spirituality. But to go to that stage, you have to maintain your physical body and the emotional system in a proper alignment. Otherwise it is not possible. Otherwise you cannot do this. So this kayakalpa is helpful to make sure your body and your mind and your energies are in the proper alignment. So basically in the kayakalpa kuti, person will enter inside, and one time only one person can go the inside for the therapy. So when you are inside, you will be in the external inside for maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, or maybe 6 months. Technically in the external layer 1 month, second layer 2nd month, third layer you will stay inside for 3rd and 4th month, and 5th month you will come back to second layer, 6th month you will come back to first layer, and after 6th month you will come out of the kayakalpa kuti. And before entering the kayakalpa, you are having 1 month of the 30 days of the Panchakarma to prepare your body and mind. And after coming out of the kayakalpa, again you will have 1 month of the Panchakarma to rejuvenate your body and mind. So overall, it's somewhere around 8 to 9 months of the process. Just like, that's why it is called as the rebirth. Just like the way we all stayed in mother's womb for 9 months, similarly this kayakalpa kuti, even it is called as the Trikuti Praveshika Rasayana or Trigarbha Rasayana, because again you are entering into the garbha of your mother, the mother nature, where you are spending 8 to 9 months of the time for the rebirth, for the rejuvenation, like as a new physical body, a kind of. So that is the main idea behind this kayakalpa. So tomorrow evening we all will go inside and experience that complete darkness. So the darkness is not the darkness what you feel outside. It is absolute darkness, where even with the eyes closed or eyes open you cannot see anything. That is called absolute darkness. And that absolute darkness is healing your system, healing your body, giving you the rebirth when you stay inside for so many months. Because externally what happens here, most of the days we are not getting relaxation to our sense organs. You think that when you close your eyes are at rest. But tell me, you can still sense the light which is outside. So when you are inside the room, someone switches on and switches off the light, don't you feel it? Even with the eyes closed? You can feel it. How? According to you, eye is at rest. Eye is closed, it is at rest. But how can you feel it? Because eye as a sense organ, it is still working. Eye as a physical organ is at rest. But eye as a sense organ, it is still working. So in that way, your skin, your ears, your nose, your tongue, your eyes, the sense organs are not getting the absolute rest only. That's why we are having so much of the anxiety, depression, emotional problems, because our sense organs are not stable. They are not getting rest. Whole day and night we are listening to something. Even before going to sleep, there are many people who need something. Need to listen to the music, right? Or some guided meditation or pravachana or anything. There is nothing called as the good stimulation, bad stimulation. Overall, there is some stimulation to your body. Even this skin. Skin as a sense organ. See, skin is the largest organ of our body. And skin is the physical organ as well as skin is the sense organ. So every single time there is bed lamp in your room, there is some light coming from the outside, street light. Your skin is responding to that light as a sense organ. So the largest organ of your body itself is not at rest, then how can you expect yourself to be relaxed? Not possible. You cannot feel relaxed when your sense organs are not getting rest. It is just like, imagine your company or your boss is not giving you a single day leave. 365 days, 24/7 you have to work. No salary, no leave, no rest. How do you feel? And still your boss tells you to stay calm, stay composed, stay focused. How do you feel? You are expecting the same thing from your body. You are not giving proper attention to your body, you are not giving proper care, concern, rest, and you are saying, work properly. My body has to be healthy, but I cannot take rest, I cannot give the absolute rest. Like rest not in terms of the rest what you are giving right now. Rest in the term of absolute rest you are not able to give. Absolute care and concern you are not able to give. Salary तो दूर की बात है. Forget about the salary. In fact, you are making your body to work day and night, 24 into 7, 365 days, from the time of the birth until today. But still, you expect your body and mind to be calm, composed, energetic all the time. How it is possible? It is impossible unless and until you correct your lifestyle, unless and until you give some time to yourself. It is not possible to stay calm, composed and energetic all the time. If you want to stay energetic all the time, calm and composed and happy all the time, then start working on your body. Just treat your body as your employee. Just give all the good bonus, relaxation, timing, rejuvenation. All these things are required. So, kayakalpa we will go tomorrow. Okay.